Good morning, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Ask Abhishekraj's Daily Dossier. I'll again gear you up with all that you need to know for a happy trading session and a great week. So, hope you had a great day yesterday as well, and in coming sessions as well, and the week as well. So, let's quickly get back to data and see how has been the markets and what to expect from here on. Remember, this is October. This is the month before US elections. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be volatile. So prepare yourself accordingly. Rest, let's take a look at the data and see how it is. Now, if you take a look on the indices, more or less, Nifty was flat with a negative volatility index. That's VIX fell and it's now into sub 20s. Bank Nifty was again flat with 2 points positive closing. So, rest auto index did not do well. Energy, metal, and autos were the major laggards in yesterday's trading session. So if you look at the fund flow, we are not getting any big cues from the fund flow. FIIs had been selling in many sessions since day before yesterday. In yesterday's session, they had a very small number of 700 crores of selling. However, they did buy some of the stock futures and index futures too. So looks like some short covering is happening in the indices front. Rest, they are still selling. That's the bottom line. So stay cautious. It's just a month before the election, so that would be all an overall market scenario. Now let's take a look on how Nifty closed on monthly basis and what to expect in coming some time. So this is the monthly chart of Nifty. If you see, Nifty closed above 20-month average of that's placed around 11,150 odd levels. In this particular month, Nifty did go below the previous month. It even engulfed once. However, the bearish engulfing did not form. As I had said in yesterday's session, do not expect any big positive move. It's going to be a flat day. It's going to be a sideways movement. Exactly the same thing had happened. Now, if you take a look on the body and the entire highs and low of the candle, what you would see on closing basis on the candle body front, Nifty has once again made a higher high and a higher low. However, if you even consider the highs and lows of the month, it's a lower high and a lower low. Bottom line, as I said yesterday, we are both getting positive and negative cues. So most probably in situations like this, majorly the movements are kind of sideways to volatile. Rest on the daily chart, if you take a look, Nifty has made a doji candle. Its 20 days moving average has touched the 50 days moving average, and both these averages are very close now. So that's in the range of 11,300 to 320. So any sustainability above 11,320 can bring a good upside rally, which may take markets up to 11,600 levels with stop losses around 11,170. The RSI on Nifty's daily chart is taking support on 40 levels. So more or less, unless and until RSI is between 40 and 60, do not expect any massive rally. It may be more of a kind of sideways movement. Now let's take a look on Bank Nifty chart. On the monthly chart of Bank Nifty, it clearly made a bearish engulfing pattern. On monthly chart, the RSI is below 40, so that's not positive. So I would suggest, in case you have to buy index, focus on Nifty instead of Bank Nifty. That's comparatively stronger. On daily chart again, Bank Nifty did go low in today's trading session. From yesterday's low was broken. However, it took support around the lows of Monday. So two good positive closing, one kind of bearish shadow. Rest in today's trading session, it's a spinning top with Bank Nifty sustaining around 40 levels. So in tomorrow's session, in case Bank Nifty goes up, we could be headed towards 21,900, where we have our 20 days moving average. So between 21,900 to 22,250, we can face a resistance. That's the 20 and 50 days moving average. In case it goes above it, you can see price levels anything ranging between 22,600 to 22,930 levels. So that's how about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now let's take a look on what to expect from other indices. As said, Nifty if sustains above 11,320, you can buy with stop loss 11,170. Our target would be 11,600 closing basis. Rest real time trades, you can always ask me during the market hours with the real time price levels. Bank Nifty view is neutral to positive. You can buy above 21,550 levels with stop loss 21,080, target up to 22,800. Metal index made a bearish engulfing pattern in last session and a death cross. So no trade in metals unless and until this particular formation is negated. Or we see any kind of positive, positive triggers on the metal index front. Nifty IT is positive, but again, it's in the same resistance range I had said yesterday. So either buy it on dips or buy on a breakout above 20,200 levels. Do not buy on current levels where we closed today. Nifty Pharma is positive, but again, looking at the index, it looks like more of a stock specific action. So look on the specific stocks. You can focus on Biocon and Cipla. So there are many stocks that you can focus on for a good trend and good money making opportunities. Nifty energy view is negative, no trade unless and until it has a death cross, or currently it does have a death cross. I would suggest wait and watch in coming session and see how this Nifty energy index behaves. Accordingly, I will give you the buy call, so don't worry about it. For now, avoid IT stocks. Nifty auto view is precautious. It has continuously made 2 days of spinning top. RSI indicates a sideways movement taking support around 20 days, and this particular index is taking support around 20 days moving average. Now in today's trading session, we would have auto sales numbers coming in, so it could remain volatile. It may react to the auto sales number as and when they come. So take a precautious view, and I would suggest unless and until we have the auto sales numbers coming in, avoid auto stocks. Just stay light on it, and in case you find any stock specific buying opportunities, you can discuss with me, and do stay hedged at least. Looking on these stocks, these are your long and short radar stocks that you can keep to make some money in today's trading session. You can look forward to buy Appollortyre, Cipla, Asian Paint, continue the long positions which we had for a long time now. Berger Paints as a buy. Eicher Motor, you can continue long. Grasim, continue long. Now trail your stop loss to 714 in Grasim. HDFC Bank is a long with stop loss 1050. Nestle India long above 15,940 levels with stop loss 15,560. In case we see any negativity, which does not look from the charts perspective, it doesn't look like it's going to be negative unless and until we have some news taking over the markets. So in case we have anything negative, keep 2 stocks on your radar that can make your fortune in case markets fall. That would be Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. So that would be all in today's trading session. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Abhishekraj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.